How's it going, guys? Well, this is my newest figure. I sent this off to C Creations to have them redo it. This was originally my sideshow leather 1/6 scale Leatherface. I sent it off to David Tucker of C Creations and had him redo and revamp the entire figure. David has done a lot of figures for me in the past. Very happy with all of them. They do great work over there, and I highly recommend them. To get started on this figure, he totally repainted the head sculpt and redid the hair. He added those metal prongs that are in the mouth. And he added leather straps on the mask, just like the movie. He completely re-weathered the undershirt, made it dirtier. Added some dirt to the tie. And originally the apron was like an off-white. It wasn't yellow at all, so he dyed it yellow. Added some more gore to it, some blood stains where Leatherface would have been washing off his hands. And he put it on a new body that was a little bit bigger, bulkier. The arms are so much better. They're very detailed. They look real. Some dirt on there and some grime and blood. And my favorite part is the chainsaw. That is just sick looking. Some real thick dark blood, some hair, very gruesome. Really like how that came out. I'm using all natural lighting so you guys get the best look at this figure. All the colors he got into it. Now, I tend to like my figures a little bit more on the gory side. I know there wasn't a lot of gore in this movie, but me and David both, we like the gorier part. I think it adds more character to the figure. More detail, the better. But if you decide you don't want the gore, it's not a problem. Just let David know, and he'll do it whatever way you want it. And I'm pretty sure, as you guys can tell by my videos, most of it is Leatherface stuff, because Leatherface is my favorite character. The majority of my collection is him. Texas Chainsaw Massacre is my favorite movie. Always has been, always will be. And I got a really cool mask, Leatherface mask, to add to the collection. Hopefully I'll get it by the end of this week, if not early next week, so I'll be doing a video on that. And I got another figure coming in the mail, so stay tuned, and then I'm going to have my big whole collection update. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.